Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to discuss about one of the important features in NotebookLM, which is discover sources. In the previous videos, we have discussed about how to create a notebook and how to analyze the information. So let's say there is this notebook called Amazon S3, which I'm going to open now. So this is Amazon S3 notebook, and this is the file or the information that I have uploaded. If you want to create a study guide, you can click on it here. If you want to create a briefing document, you can click on it here. If you want to create frequently asked questions, you can also click on it here. Now, what I'm going to do is I would like to research about a new topic. Okay, I would like to research about a new topic. All you need to do is you have to click on discover option here. Discover option here. It is going to open a window. It is going to open a window and you can look for information. You can look for information on the internet directly from this tool. So previously what we did was we downloaded a file on the desktop and we were able to upload the file by clicking on add. Once you click on add, you click on choose file and we upload the files. It could be PDF, it could be MP3, it could be MP4 or video files or whatever it is. Now, what if you get the information directly from NotebookLM instead of uploading the files from your local computer or machine? So all you need to do is you need to click on discover here. Now I would like to do some research on Amazon EC2 service. Okay, now what I'm going to do is please provide details on Amazon EC2 service. Okay, this is a very simple prompt. Please provide details on Amazon EC2 service. I'm going to click on submit. Let's see how it goes. Now it is searching on internet. It is searching on internet and looking for all the details related to Amazon EC2. See, it has come up with all the sources here, Now you don't have to go to Google, look for the information, look for the documents, upload it. Now what you can do is you can directly look for the information from the tool. So here you see what is Amazon EC2. Amazon EC2 instant types, Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud. So you have different kinds of sources on the internet which are readily available now. Now what you need to do is you need to look for the document which you think is more required for your particular research or work. So I feel like what is Amazon EC2? This link or this document is more related to my research. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on it here. You can select one or two. It's up to your requirement. So I think this is more related to my research. I'm going to click on it and click on import. Once you click on import, if you see here, it is uploading the information from internet. It has uploaded the source now into NotebookLM. Okay, once it is uploaded, you can, let's say if you click on mind map here, if you click on mind map, it is going to create a mind map now. Okay, I'm going to click on it here. If you see now, it says Amazon AWS core services and if you expand it, if you maximize it, you see two services, Amazon S3 service and also Amazon EC2 service. So this way you can learn information without going out of NotebookLM tool. You can search for the information using the discover option and you can upload it and you can learn directly from NotebookLM tool here. Okay, and also if you want to learn information, the frequently asked questions, you can just click on it and it is going to give all the important details like what is Amazon S3 and how does it function. all the important questions and answers. Alright, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.